Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Our today's topic is radiography test film interpretation. So in this video, I'll explain how welding defects are identified from a radiography film. So I have taken 13 defects, 13 most common defects which can be identified from a radiography films. So our first defect is lack of penetration, then I'll explain offset, mismatch or high-low. Basically offset or high-low is not a welding defect, it's a fit-up issue. So but it is very significant, so that's why I have kept in this list. Now the third defect is lack of fusion, fourth one is porosity, fifth one is excess penetration, then I'll explain undercut, then slag inclusion, then tungsten inclusion, then I'll explain external concavity, then internal concavity, number 11th is burn through, then cracks, and finally I'll explain spatters. So basically these are 13 defects which I will explain, but since I don't want to keep this video very long, so I'll make two parts. In the first part I will explain the first 5 defects, that is lack of penetration, offset, lack of fusion, porosity and excess penetration. So I'll cover these 5 defects in this video, and then I'll make another video, that is part 2, and in part 2 I'll cover the remaining defects. So let's start the topic, but before starting this topic, let me give you a brief introduction of myself. My name is Sandeep Anand. I am a mechanical engineer and I am having 14 plus years of working experience, and my hobby is to share my knowledge. I share my knowledge through my website, that is weldingandandt.com, www.weldingandandt.com, and the second mode through which I share my knowledge is my YouTube channel. This is youtube.com/weldingandandt. So friends, I would request you to please support my initiative, and you can support my initiative by joining my channel. See, after subscribing my channel, you will see a join button or a join icon. After pressing this join icon, you can become a member of my channel and you will be able to help me financially. So I would request you to join my channel. So friends, let's start with the video. Our first defect is lack of penetration. Friends, here I would like to tell you that in this video I will not explain that welding defects, means I will not explain what is lack of penetration. See, if you don't have the basic knowledge of welding defects, then you can watch my other videos in which I have explained all the welding defects. In fact, I will put the link in the description box also. So in this video I will just explain how these defects are identified from a radiography film. So let's start. See, lack of penetration appears as a very fine dark and a straight line. Here, straight line. So you'll see a very straight dark line. It can be continuous or intermittent, and the location of this defect is the center. You will be able to see this defect in the center of the weld only. See here, I have a photograph of lack of penetration. Here you can see that there is no penetration of the weld metal. Now on a radiography, this entire welding will be seen on a radiography film, and the defect is at the center. Hence, on the center of a radiography film, you will see a very dark line. Here I have taken these pictures from my website www.weldingandandt.com, and these pictures are of lack of penetration. This is the back side of the welding, back side. Here you can see that there is no penetration at all, and here there is some penetration. And in the second photo you can see that there is no penetration at all. There is no penetration of the weld metal. So how it looks in a radiography film? Here you can see that at the center a very dark and absolutely straight line. So you can see a straight and dark line. This straight and dark line is the lack of penetration. So you can identify lack of penetration very easily. At the center, see here, from this portion to this portion you have the weld, and absolutely at the center there is this dark line. So this dark line is nothing but the lack of penetration. Here in this photo I would also explain how to identify the root run. The root run are relatively lighter. See here you can see this bright portion. This is relatively light. So this area is the root run. This area is the root run, and in the center of the root run you have the lac of penetration. Now we'll take the second photo. Here the center, from this portion to this portion you have the weld, and here you can see the straight line in the center. So this is incomplete penetration or lack of penetration. Again we do have one more photo. Here you can see the straight dark line. This is throughout. This lack of penetration is throughout on the weld. So I am having one more picture. Here you can see this straight line in the center of the weld. So straight line in the center of the weld will be incomplete penetration. Now we'll move towards our second defect, that is offset or mismatch, or it is also called as hilo. So this is basically a fit up issue. Hilo is a kind of mismatch, means here you can see the parent metal and this side parent metal. This both parent metal level is up and down. So here you can see, if I make a projection line, so this much gap is there. So this is nothing but the mismatch of the parent metal. This is parent metal 1 and this is parent metal 2, and there is a mismatch of this parent metal. So how this parent mismatch will appear in the radiographic film? In the radiographic film you will see dark lines. So this is mismatch. You'll see one area dark, one area light. So this is nothing but the mismatch. Here half portion is there is a mismatch between this in this figure. Now if suppose there is mismatch as well as lack of penetration, then how it will appear? So from here to this portion you can see very straight line. This straight line is nothing but the lack of penetration, and the color difference also you can see in the entire length from here to here. So this is mismatch. So totally there is a mismatch of joints, and at one portion from this point to this point there is a lack of penetration also. So this is nothing but offset or mismatch and incomplete penetration. So mismatch with incomplete penetration. Now we'll move towards our third defect, that is lack of fusion. Lack of fusion is also called as incomplete fusion. Incomplete, it should be IF. I have wrongly written here IP, it should be IF. IP is incomplete penetration and IF will be incomplete fusion. So how incomplete fusion looks? So incomplete fusion will also look a dark and straight line. It will also be dark and straight, and it can be continuous or intermittent like lack of penetration, but location will be different. Location of incomplete fusion will be either one or both side of the root pass. If there is lack of fusion between root pass, then on the root pass at one side or second side you will see the lack of fusion, or if there is lack of fusion between two consecutive weld runs, then you will see outside the weld metal, outside root run. See here you can see in this photograph, here you can see there is no fusion. This edge of the parent metal has not been fused. So on the radiograph this much area will be seen, complete welding will be seen, and at the root run, at this root portion, here a straight line will be, see, like here. If you will see, this root run is from this portion to this portion, and on one side of the root run this straight line you can see, a straight line. So this is intermittent. So this is lack of fusion. If there is a straight line at the center, then that will be called as lack of penetration, and if there is a straight line other than the center, like on the sides of the root run, like here this root run or this root run, then that will be called as lack of fusion. Here also you can see this lack of fusion. Here also this is lack of fusion. Now we'll come to the porosity. So there are many varieties of porosity or many types of porosity, like scattered porosity, single porosities, cluster porosity, that is porosities in groups, and there will be wormhole porosities. Wormhole porosities are formed when a gas try to attempt from the molten weld pool. So what happens when the gas try to escape from the molten weld pool? A tail is developed. So this is called a wormhole, and there will be elongated cavity also. This elongated cavity is known as hollow bed, but this hollow bed will only be formed in SMW, that is shielded metal arc welding, and to be very specific, with only cellulosic electrodes. Means in shielded metal arc welding, if you are doing welding with cellulosic electrodes like E6010 and E7010, then only chances of elongated cavities or hollow bed it will be there. And there is one more, that it only appears in root run. So it appears in the root run only. It looks like slag, but it have rounded ends. So how to identify that? It will be in the root run and there will be rounded ends. So we can easily identify. Now here we can see the porosity. Everywhere you can see the porosity. Yes, one more thing. How porosity looks? Porosity, scattered porosity looks very sharp, defined dark spots. Dark spots will be there, and mostly these have rounded contours. And cluster porosity will be group of porosities, and they will also be rounded or slightly elongated. So dark spots will be there in groups. Let's see. So you can see dark spots here in groups. You can see dark spots here also. So these are porosity. Here you can see the contour. It is rounded. You can see it is round in shape. So if it is round in shape, then you can easily identify that this is porosity. Here also you can see the porosity over here. Here also there is group porosity. So many porosities are there. This is also an example of porosity. Now hollow bed, as I told you earlier that hollow bed will appear in the root run. So this is the root run, and this one is hollow bed. See how it is different from lack of penetration. Lack of penetration appears in a straight line, but this is not a straight line, and there is rounded end. This end is rounded, hence it is hollow bed. It is not even slag also. Wormhole. So as I told you, in wormholes you will be able to see some tail also. So these are the wormholes. Here also you can see on the entire radiograph there are wormholes. Now excess penetration. So excess penetration looks lighter than the adjoining weld joint. So you can identify it very easily. It will look very light. Here in this radiography you can see how bright, and it will always appear at the center of the weld. It will always appear at the center of the weld, and it will be bright. It can be continuous or isolated, and it will always appear in the center of the weld. See how I have a photo of excess penetration. Here you can see that the penetration is excess, and due to this excess penetration it appears very bright. So here you can see the root run. This is the root run. Up to this area there is excess penetration.